going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Wanted to give you an update on my welding skid. I got a lot of my stuff put down right now. I got the reels and the bottles. I still got to go to Lowe's here in a minute to go pick up some hardware to put on a couple more things. But for the most part, I'm almost done. Still got to put my toolbox on it. A small box is going to be mounted to the back of it. As you see, I got a plane coming over me. But needless to say, man, like I say, it turned out good. And I used all drops from job sites. So I wanted to make that point that a lot of times we'll go all the way out and buy this new stuff or buy new metal and do this when the old stuff or the hand-me-down stuff can do the same. So I use drops from job sites to build this. And as you see, I built a tool from off of job sites to finish making money and to be able to be more mobile and more flexible to go anywhere to get a bag. If I have to leave my equipment on a job site, if I have to go to a different state, it's easy for me to rent a vehicle if I need it or use my own to get everything done. And then I can change the welders out. So it's most definitely an asset, man. Don't really have to worry about the stuff getting stolen, jacked, so you can kind of keep control of it. And the skid is not extremely heavy, but it is heavy duty enough to hold all my stuff on there and be able to pick up with a crane. So that way everything is stable and secure. So that's a plus. But I didn't go all the way out. Once again, I literally used drops from job sites to build this welding skid. And now things are, it's coming on along, man. So I always say actions speak louder than words. Once you get to jumping on something, man, show actions. You know what I mean? Keep doing it, man, until you finish it. And you don't have to go all the way out. Use stuff. Like I say, pretty much the only thing that I had to buy new was the paint and my forklift tubing, so that way the forklift forks can go in the inside. I wanted a certain diameter, so I bought that new. And actually my lifting eyes, I got that off another job site. I just blew the holes in it, round them off some, make them look good. And so it turned out good, man. Like I say, it's nothing, perfect, but it is very perfect for what I'm doing. But it's not like bought off the shelf, but I created it, I designed it to serve a purpose. And you're about to watch me here in the near future serve a purpose with this unit. So get your hog on with me. Black Phoenix, I'm out.